Hi, I'm Nan Simonson, and I'm excited about a 2024 vegan bundle that is being released on March 1st, 7 a.m. And I've gone on and on about authors whose books that I would like to give a shout out to. One of them is a young woman who was told that she needed to lose 40 pounds. And you know what doctors will tell you: just eat less, exercise more, eat the same stuff that got you there in the first place, just eat less of it. Well, that's a recipe for disaster. People get too hungry. Wouldn't you love to, and don't you love the idea of eating more, weighing less? Well, that's what this young woman did. Her name is Plantifully Kiki, and her book is Plantifully Lean. She was told to lose 40 pounds, she lost 80. She was told her health was in, well, I'll use the word dire straits: pre-diabetic, high cholesterol, high blood pressure. And she decided to go all the way with a whole food, plant-based diet. She did that and then wrote this book in 2020, years later. In the meantime, she's been on Instagram and she's been on social media, and she's become, I'm going to say, the darling of the diet world in that way. She's gotten healthier with the weight loss, not just thinner. She is stunning. She's the mother of children who are so proud of her and pleased that she is so physically fit now that she could do all those things she couldn't do with them before. So why am I talking about her? Is she giving this away on the bundle? No, she doesn't have to do that. But she's giving a weight loss course, Cookalong PDF training in the bundle. Well, so what is this bundle? 45 people contributing. She's one of them. Value now is over $8,000, and for $49 you get the bundle. You download it and keep it for life. It's yours. If you don't want to download it or put it onto a flash drive, you're able to access it for an entire year, making copies, doing whatever you want with it. So I'd like to encourage you to consider getting our bundle tomorrow. Am I in it? Yes. I wrote a book just before turning 70. That was more than 3 years ago. And my book is about aging with power, and I'm actually giving that the PDF of my book in the bundle. But that's not the only thing I'm offering, and well, I'll talk about that at another time. That's all I have to say. Go back to any of these videos about the authors that I've been doing. I will be putting up a link to the bundle first thing in the morning. Have a great day, because I'm going to. Bye-bye.